No, I'd be lying to you if I would say it was my first listen. I was able to go see Jennie perform her album the first night in LA, and it was quite an experience. It was called the Ruby Experience, right? If I'm not mistaken. But just seeing Jennie live performing each and every song, that was my literally first intro to, or first listen. This right here, what you're seeing, is the embodiment of this album that you're about to see. Watch. But you know damn well I'm gonna go through the lyrics. We're gonna get lit to it. We're gonna have a good time. This is the embodiment of this album. 15 songs, right? Is it 15 songs? What a great performance, Jennie. Girl, some of the outfits that you wore, oh my god, girl. I know it went viral. Me and my friends were looking at each other like, oh. We were gagged. She performed at the Peacock Theater down in downtown LA Live. It was like an early birthday present to my girlfriend, Hedgen. Without further ado, let's get situated right there. We go. And now we're ready. Yes, did I just get a wig from Amazon just to listen to this album? Damn right. This shit I do for y'all. Like this video already. Please be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to y'all boys channel. We got the redhead Ruby wig on. You already know. Let me drink my coffee. Let me drink my coffee. Yummy. Girl, this wig is already shedding. Damn. I have to vacuum this place. This wig is cheap. But it works. It works. I'm serving. Look at me. Oh, girl. Oh, you shedding. Oh, girl. Oh, okay. This is a one-time use wig, so you better like this video. Oh, my God. Your girl's balding. Oh, hell no. Already off the bat? Off the bizet? Girl, I look like the Wendy's fast food girl. Red. Oh, my God. My girlfriend gonna think I'm cheating on her with the amount of red hair that's coming off. He's like, what's all this red hair? Who's this shitting hair ass, bald ass bitch you trying to mess with? It's the wig, I swear, baby. Let's check out the album Ruby. Without further ado, let me switch it up. Is the intro featuring or with FKJ, which he's a producer slash pianist, very talented guy. I saw him in Dean's comeback. Some mother effing vibe. Oh, okay with the laughter. Got me bumping my shoulders. Stiff wear, I don't care what we doing on this beat. Keep on going, you already know. Jennie got the features. Childish Gambino, Kali Uchis, Dua Lipa, everybody Doechii, pay the meter. Yeah. Stiff wear, bitch. Stiff wear, This is the vibe though. The intro is really much of a vibe. Not much of a lyric video because I don't think there's really lyrics, it's just samples of her voice. And then ends with her laughter. All right, next up is Like Jennie. Now, if you guys didn't see my reaction video, be sure to check it out on my channel already. It should be up on Patreon, the non-edited version. Again, sometimes my things get blocked, but I be putting it out on Patreon for free, so y'all can watch it over there. Y'all don't have to join memberships or anything. I mean, you don't have to pay, basically. But your boy, you know, your boy got to pay bills and rent, you know. So if you do support your boy, hit that dollar, you know what I'm saying? Give me that dollar. Holla for the dollar, because I'll be like Jennie. I need to get that money. All right, so Like Jennie, one of my favorites already.
Come on, it's gonna be fucking hard.
It's gonna be fucking hard. Why'd I say it like that? It really better be fucking hard if you're gonna say that, to be honest.
Special edition and your AI couldn't copy. Leaving clues in the fit in woman is hot tea.
Hot tea. They miss me. What's in the drink, bitch? Ooh, I love that part. I love that part of that. No Boris, take it to the chorus. Ooh, gonna rock with Jennie. Like Jennie. Ooh. Ooh. And especially at the concert, she was like, Jennie, like pointing at the crowd like that. Oh God, so good. Live, this hits. I think it's one of my favorite things live too. That and Filter. Woo, this is such a performance song too. Have you met? Woo, the way she raps too. Woo. Hey, get out my way. What you know? Talk your shit. Yeah. Gonna rock with Jennie. Like Jennie. Jennie. Ooh. Jennie. Jennie. They haven't met Jennie like me. What? Jennie. Whew. Jennie really be that big. I'm telling y'all. Have you ever met? Oh, shout out to the dancers at the performance, by the way, too. Because Jennie and the music video, bro, I thought the live performance was good. But the music video goes even harder. And she turns into a capybara. Come on, bro. Up next, Starter War. Now, Starter War, I feel like live, I didn't get to appreciate it enough. So, listening to the album, I feel like I appreciate it a lot more. And it's really dope. So, one of our slower songs. Ain't got problems. So that part, I was so confused hearing live because obviously this is my first impression. And the mic situation, the sound system situation wasn't the best at the moment, in the beginning at least, the beginning of the show, which this still was the beginning of the show. So I didn't know what the hell she said in that. So listening to the album for the first time, this is like my second time listening to the album. Her just going off like that, it's so fire. We locked in. And to be honest, my friend who wasn't into K-pop or doesn't like really go into K-pop concerts really enjoyed this album as a whole and as a performance. She was really loving it, which I was like, oh really? Shout out to my friend. What's up, CP? Ooh. Morning. Ooh, I love that. Ooh. Oh. Okay. You really feel like she really put her heart and soul into this. Like you could tell there were some tears in this and stuff like that. And she was crying at the show too. She was overwhelmed. War. I vibe with that. I will start a war for you. I felt that, Jennie. That's why I got me feeling like Jennie. I'm gonna start a war for you, ho. What am I doing? What am I doing? Ooh, the production in this is fire too, by the way. You know I start a war. You know I start a war. Damn. She said, I'm that big. I'm that big. I like the production of this song too. Now, is it my favorite song of the album? I don't know. I have to give it a few more listens. It is one of my, it's like, I like it. And I will replay it. But is it my favorite? And this album makes it tough to pick a favorite. All right, what's next? All right, Handlebars featuring Dua Lipa. Ooh. It's like a Tuesday drunk. All in. Ooh.
Why is it love is never kind
To me.
I heard the fools rushing, yeah,
That's me, girl.
it burns me time and time again. So why am I still fixing for this frying pan? I wonder what you're doing for tonight and forever.
Ooh, okay, Dua Lipa. Is that Dua Lipa? Was that Dua Lipa?
I could be the rest of your life or whatever.
It was like a mixture. Might be still Jennie though.
My lips and your lips, we could press them together.
That's Dua Lipa.
I don't ever think twice, and maybe that's why I trip and fall in love, just like a Tuesday drunk. I always go all in, all in, all in, over the handlebars, hitting the ground so hard. If I'm alone, falling, falling, falling. Another round, another drink. I try to stop, but I can't think about anything else but you. And I'm a little too buzzed on your love to play it cute. A single kiss, I lost my mind for 7 days and 7 nights.
Yeah?
And he'd say, baby, it's true. Trying to bite my lip, I'm probably gonna slip and say some crazy shit to you. I wonder what you're doing for tonight and forever.
And forever.
I don't ever think twice.
Yeah.
And maybe that's why
Woo.
I trip and fall in love, just like a
Tuesday drunk.
I always go all in, all in, all in, over the
Handlebars. Damn, it already got me singing. I feel like I didn't listen to this a lot. But my God. Now, I know there's a music video and I haven't seen it yet. But you'll see it on my channel. After this or before this comes out. Ooh.
We ain't gotta talk about it.
Talk about it. Ooh. Wow, that was a solid song. Now I can't wait to see this live was really nice. I already knew that was with Dua Lipa. I was expecting Dua Lipa to be there, but nobody was there. No guest appearances, which I kind of like because it's just more focused on Jennie. But this live as well was really good. It stood out in the showcase. What do you call it? A showcase? It's like an album showcase or something like that. Yeah. Well, anyways, next song. And the first thing when I first heard this, I was like, "Isn't this Jennie from the block?" I'm still Jennie from, like, sampling J-Lo basically. It's like Jennie sampling Jennie. Like, what the hell? Like, what kind of weird ass like multiverse am I in? Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Bro, first of all, Jennie from the Block's beat is fire. Woo! Now this live goes hard. Okay. As I drink my strawberry milk drink. Hey. Blah, blah. Bulletproof.
No more cycles on your
Whoa.
Nights of hate crime. Feeling it a scary code.
Oh.
You see of judgment. Watch her, dashy flow. Nasty, flashy. Wave dropping motorboat. Get on my name, but your aim's way up.
What?
You're evaluating me on your day up. Certified out, set up, running out. Spectators round, hit a sack, friends.
Okay.
Way up.
All the way up.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I'ma let it go.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah.
Fire on my way up.
Way up.
Bulletproof glass when I'm riding through. Way up, way up. Gimme that, I won't let it go.
Hey.
Shots fire on my way
Hey.
up.
Hey.
Bulletproof glass
Hey.
when I'm riding through. Rooftop when I party.
What?
Turn like a Harley.
What?
Sorry, not sorry.
What?
Yeah.
What? What?
Shadows all around me. Close and they crowd me. Breathe, I can hardly. It seems like
Oh, that's such fire.
everybody's cool, but when I do it, I'm the problem. Gave you too much and it's giving spoil rotten.
Ah.
Stressed out, being the trending topic.
Oh, different yayas. Oh, with the ad-libs too. I'm hot cold gelato. Oh. I'm calm though.
Come give me a kiss.
What? Party in the bedroom. Oh, attitude switch up. Well, you got her like that. And the way up. Yeah, yeah. Hell. She be riding on the beat, keep on going, saying elite. Jennie from the block, Jennie from the street, keep on going, you already know. Spitting that. Oh shit, I almost spilled my drink. So, hearing that, I was like, wait, this sample sounds so familiar. It's Jennie from the block. Even my friend was like, oh my god, who is of an older crowd like me. Like, oh, that's Jennie from the block? No? Fire, bruh. Fire. And then right after that, what hits? Is it Zen? No. It's Mantra, right? Mantra happens next, I think. If we could go switch up here. Now, we already know Mantra. Pretty girl mantra, this, that, Santra, just touched down in LA. Pretty girls don't do drama unless we want it, it'll be depending on the day. Pretty girls pack the defender, now I'm not offender, never gonna catch no stray. This, that, pretty girl mantra, they so fun, and like you wanna swing both ways. Ooh. Drama. Aha!
My close-up
Pajamas.
from the cold plunge.
Ah.
Daytime Betty's in my yard. Quick switch at a bit of my yard. Swerving through the lane, we'll be 20 minutes late. Cause we have to do it in our drive-by.
Got that deep, it's not that dumb. Oh, no, my, drunk. Is it drunk? All the ass.
Not that deep and not that dumb. Look at them bodies on the run. Inside glowing like the sun. You're gonna feel this every day.
This, that pretty girl mantra, this, that flaunt, just touched down in LA. Pretty girls don't do drama unless we want, and it'll be depending on the day. Pretty girls packed with the defender, and I'm the defender, and they catch no stray. This, that pretty girl mantra, she's that stun, I make you wanna swing both ways. Now, this is like the first track that Jennie showed from her like full album is Mantra. And I don't know how people felt, but I really liked it. I thought it was catchy, especially the end part coming up too. Oops, sorry. Where it goes, this, that's it, like when it gets all like chill. Damn, this strawberry milk is sweet. Is that pretty girl mantra, that blonde, you just done in LA. Like that part, this is fire, bro. The whole like choreo as well. Freaking amazing. That pretty girl mantra, just that fun, and just wanna swing both ways. This, that pretty girl mantra, this, that mantra, just out in LA. Pretty girls don't do drama unless we want. Oh. No new drama, my bad. That laugh. Pretty. Let the beat breathe. I love that. Pretty. And then next after that is literally, is it just Dominic Fike? Oh, it is that one. Okay, so Love Hangover. Another good one. Especially with like the collaboration itself too. Yeah. Huh. I like the way she starts too. Sorry, I was like so focused on it for a bit, especially the beginning right here. Yeah. I'm so shady. Love that. I don't know, it's just something like the little extra stuff that she does, or like in the production, just makes it even more full of her song. It's over, but I keep fucking with you. Love hangover. Very solid song. I feel like a lot of these songs are just solid. Like it's a good repeat album of different like styles too of Jennie. Uh-oh, I swear I'll never do it again. Call me back, call me back, call me back. I love that little ad-lib. Call me back, call me back. Ooh, Dominic Fike's part 2 is cool. Triple back. I'm a baby father. Oh. Oh. An apartment. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. It's over, but I keep fucking with you. Love hangover. Love hangover. Oh. I say I'm gonna do it again. Ah, shit. This part right here got me more interested in the song. Like, ba, ba, ba. And she did like a whole like dance. I remember this part right here. Back, 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 back. I forgot how it goes. Let me see. Wait, hold up. I think I've seen it. Let me double check. Unless I didn't record it, and I was just like more amazed at just watching Jennie during that performance. So it's like back, 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 or something like that. I don't know, but you saw the clip. I'll put the clip in there. Back. I don't know what I'm saying at this point. Very solid of a song. Is there lyrics for this one too? Oh no. There's no lyrics in this one. Okay. That's when we switch up. Now Zen was an interesting experience, a visual experience, an audio experience as well. In general, whether it be live or just the music video or just the sounds itself. Like, listen, it's like freaking nature. And me burping. In the beginning, it's like such power. She commands the room, babe. Bruh. Did I say babe? Sorry. What are we?
I tell him down. On the energy. Yes.
She got that energy right now.
What you think about me? Cross.
Woo. Me.
Please. I'ma keep busy.
Zen.
Present. Bless. Money can buy 6 cents. Bad bitch case, so make me better. Fire aura,
scatter. Nobody gonna. It's really impressive to see how Jennie grew as an artist. What she went through, whether it be through the haters online, whether it be through a company, through past drama, behind the scenes drama, to put it into an art form of this album is so beautiful. I love it.
Thick skin lay like chains on chains on chains. Where the pressure on my neck and rings.
Okay.
Rain. Midnight bloom. In the dark I grew.
Gleam, 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 gleam.
Money cannot buy no real friends. They can make me louder. Fire or a quiet chatter. Shoot, shoot, shoot. I made
Them scatter.
they can move my ladder. Nobody gon' move my soul.
Woo.
Nobody gon' move my life. Gon' touch my glow, my
Better.
nobody gon' hold me.
Them scatter.
Nobody gon' touch my soul. Don't let my glow like a day. Shape me.
Just the beat production, I love it.
Can't be two of one.
Can't be two of one. There's one part, where was it?
Think about me.
In the beginning.
Present. Bless. Money can buy 6 cents. Oh, bitch.
Money can't buy 6 cents. That gut feeling. I get you. All right, what's up? What else is there? Let me see. Damn Right, featuring Childish Gambino. Oh my God, hearing this. Okay, so hearing this live, I feel like I didn't get the full experience of this song. It was sexy. Oh my God, the outfit that she was wearing for this. My God, bro, the outfits that she was wearing for this too. And, bro, I don't understand the hate for Jennie personally. And like the misogyn, like just judging her based on what she wears. She's a grown ass woman. She's basically almost 30. Is she 30? She 30 or is she 29? I don't know, but she grown as hell, bro. You treating her like she's a freaking teenager. Like, let her do her. If you don't like what her shit is, then don't listen. Why hate? Let other people like enjoy, unless you just get joy out of that, I guess. But I feel like in the presentation or the performance of this, it was dope. But with Kali Uchis and Childish Gambino in it, made it sky. It's one of my favorite songs. It skyrocketed my favoritism for this song. Damn right, such a good song. What we know, this that body roll, love making type of song, making bread type of song. Y'all already know. In the sheets, between the sheets. Mike Will made it too.
Pumped up on your solo, my lonely shit. Didn't even know the type time I was on it. Told you, hoping on the left side, rock the ship. Now you're struggling to keep your eyes on the road. And you saw me with my hair in the wind, playing Beyonce. Putting that good work in like a fiance. Finish line was all better. Go ahead and meet and peace to the condo. I'm like, damn right, I did that. Damn right, yeah. Damn right, I did that. Yeah, I did. Damn right, I did that. Damn right, yeah.
This song got me feeling type of ways, y'all.
Damn, I look so pretty when I'm overseas.
Kali Uchis? Woo. And then when Childish Gambino comes in, oh, bruh, let her do her thing. Woo.
twist so good, I'll make your troubles disappear. Yeah, my twist so well, make the time stand still. Gotta give myself tens where they clearly do. Damn right,
I did that.
damn right,
I did.
damn right,
I did that.
yeah, I did. Damn right, I did that.
Ooh.
Damn right,
Yeah.
damn right,
Oh, excuse me.
yeah,
Here we go. Here we go.
damn right.
Woo.
Can I be the only one? You feel good to me.
Okay, childish.
You know it,
Gave me chills still, bro.
damn right. Yeah, I'm dreaming about your body all night.
Woo.
I've been with models, they was alright.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but they ain't you. Candy cane, glue sticks, thumping the range. Top notch means the simpler things.
Yes.
Scotch, but she landed the square. He never even tried to put her legs in the air.
Woo.
He never even tried to put a baby in there.
Uh.
No matter who you racing when you jump in the set, just know it's gonna come back. A lot of niggas thought that they was working, but she laughing about you stroking the check.
Ooh.
Confidence lack. They used to have to talk, but now they look at the watch. The chain and the thing, let me look at them stocks. I walk around Atlanta like I live in a box. She pop a red balloon and now he kicking them rocks. You playing with fire. I said she was the sweetest till she made me a lie. I used to work the middle, but I had to retire. She did me something dirty, but she did it with style. Damn.
Just the ad-libs in the background too of his.
Damn right,
Bruh.
damn right, I did that. Yeah, I did. Damn right, I did that.
You did that.
Damn right,
Yeah.
I did that. Yeah, I did.
Woo. Yeah, my red hair going everywhere. Got me shedding. Look at this. Ah, such a good song. Loved it. Jennie, Childish Gambino, Caleuches. So good. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I had a favorite. This is definitely one of them. They're up there. Top three of the album. Oof. My God. What is up next after this? Let me see. It's F.T.S. That's right. Did I miss anything? Oh, I forgot Extra L, bro. Bro, Extra L is another one that's like one of my freaking faves. Bro, the fact that she got a feature with Doechii itself, Grammy winner Doechii, is fucking iconic. And to match her energy too.
All of my girls looking good and they got their own money. Pop your shit. This and my girls from the sponsor, they got their own funding.
Not your shit.
Run through your city, that motorcade. Soon as I enter, they close the gate. Presidential through your residential, bitch, is nothing. Said fuck your rules as I move them right.
Yeah.
Walk
Yeah.
in the room and I set the fire. Get a pay, get a lash on. Whole team, they
Gassing on us.
You sit too far, I don't want them charged, so even ask me who's in charge.
Riding round, foreign cars, top down, staring at the stars. Attitude. Star shit. What we doing? Riding around, bitch. Foreign cars, bitch. Top down, bitch. Staring at the stars, ho. Attitude, bitch. So star shit, ho. Hey, extra large, ho. Where the ladies run it? Wait, do my ladies run this way? Do my...
Give me cheat, give me purr, give me meow, give me curve, give me fun, give me rights, give me fight, give me nerve.
Doechii, don't kill him.
Let me out. Got the doors down, got the keys to the Benz. In the boardroom, look a boy, cause I'm not here for pleasing the men. Not here to reason with
them.
Misbehave, mispush my pen. I can't take my
Passion for him.
Can't keep up what happened to them. We lapping them in.
Ooh, they popped off on this too. The visual. I'm glad they made a music video for this. I feel if they're gonna make a music video for most of it, oh, I would love it. I would love it. The Childish Gambino one too, please. I know they released Handlebars. I have to check that out still. Foreign cars, top down, staring at the what? Attitude, don't start. Riding around, foreign cars, top down. What we staring at it? Hey, and the choreo to this is crazy.
This might hurt. I sweat hard, wet t-shirt, extra large, ain't scared of the dirt.
to my ladies. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Shit go hard, bro. Shit go hard. My God. Anyways. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. She did that shit. She did that shit for real. Whew. All right, next up. Fuck that shit. F.T.S. Now, I really didn't listen to this fully. I feel like this is going to be like my full, like, just concentrate and listen type vibe. You know what I'm saying? So let's see this.
Maybe it's time to take a leap of faith and come to my senses and take my shirt off in the rain.
Okay, take off your shirt in the rain. Damn.
Strike a fucking match, your love and desire, and warm my hands up in the flame. Whatever happened to freedom and honesty?
Okay. Whatever happened to that?
It's not that
Deep to me. Oh, I should not sing.
fuck that shit.
Fuck that shit. Oh, yeah. This live actually is fire too. Oh, there's strings in the background too.
Fuck that shit.
Off the grid.
I'm in love, you're in game, switching up, switching names. Won't fight the urge, I'll go insane. I'll say what I want if this shit's true. True. Ah, yeah. If this shit's true. If this shit's true. Whatever happened to freedom and honesty?
True, whatever happened?
What matters to you, you, it's not that deep to me.
Fuck that shit. Off the script. Oh, flip the script. I was about to say over it yet.
Inside of me.
Inside.
Fuck that
Shit. Over it. Off the grid. Ooh. Oh, she going in. Like with the instrumental too. Oh, I thought she was gonna go more for some reason. Okay, so F.T.S, really good one as well. Pretty solid. If I don't say, oh, next up is Filter though. Is Filter really the next one? Do I have everything else? Filter, Seoul City, Starlight Twin. I think that's it. Yeah. Let me double check. Filter, Seoul City, Starlight Twin. Okay, bet. Filter go hard, bro. Filter go hard, yo. No, like for real though. Woo. Oh, you got a little tease right there, a little hi-hat drum.
I will call like this, feeling like a weight just lifted. I don't know what it is, but I swear to God I love this shit. Look
Ooh.
in the mirror, there ain't nothing clear.
Okay.
Take off your filter. What you gonna do with that? Anything I want is
All I remember is that outfit, that white outfit. I was like, girl, oh shit. I was like, I was looking at my friend like, what? Hey, took off that filter. Hey, she got the confidence though. She got the confidence. That's what I respect about her too. Shout out to Jennie, bruh.
in my reach, yeah, like that. Unapologetic,
I like the way that the instrumental switches up in here too.
yeah, like that. Full throttle crushing to the gate when I ride.
Woo.
To judge a book by the front, inside out. Never cared what you thought then. Why should I now?
Talk that.
Undress me on the way to perfection, yeah. Underneath,
Ooh,
finally found what's been missing.
what you find?
Take it all. I know
Love me more with no filter. Ooh.
filter,
Oh, so good. Such a good performance. To those, this being played in Coachella, fire. With no filter.
I found it under it all. Simple and so beautiful. Go ahead and judge me. Nothing can touch me when I take it all. Undress me.
Ooh.
On the way to perfection, yeah, underneath.
Underneath.
Find what's been missing when I take it all. I know
Love me more.
with no filter.
Hey. Ooh. I just remember hearing this live with the dancers. It was like chills, bro. Each time it switched up.
With no filter.
This is definitely a performance freaking like
No filter.
watch. You have to watch this live.
No filter. Uncensored when I
The bass hit different.
with
No filter. Alright, next up is Seoul City. Ooh. We're coming to the last part of her album. The album is pretty long. It's 15 songs, almost near an hour.
Need your love. Touch my thigh. Tell me what put you in that mind. Frame it up. Draw me in. Do me right.
Do me right.
Leave my side.
Ooh.
I could be.
What?
Be a prize.
Be your-
Pick me up.
Ooh.
Flying lights.
Oh.
Paradise.
Where we-
Soul City.
Seoul City.
Your soul. Soul City. See your soul. Yeah.
Ooh, yes.
Plus 82, some miracle.
Mm.
Only listen to my general.
That song, my general song. Seoul City, I just realized. I remember
He
this.
says, my attitude out of control. Tell me what to do, Mr. General.
Mr. General.
Would you make me
Your
a boss?
boss.
Pretty please,
Pretty
please. Let
please.
me ease your mind.
Hey.
Look at me.
What?
Can you breathe?
Can you breathe?
I could give you life.
Ooh.
Apple out of my eye.
Yeah.
Pick me up.
Pick me up. Flying paradise.
Soul City.
Seoul City. Sorry, I'm so into it.
Soul City. I see
Your soul.
yeah.
Sorry, I think I saw some hairs. I think I'm better.
Plus 82, some miracle. Only listen to my general. He says, my attitude out of control. Tell me what to do.
My
Mr.
General. Oh, Mr. General. Sorry. Is that really it? Oh, wow. It wasn't too short, but I guess lyric-wise, it was short for me. Like 2 minutes, and then the rest is like instrumental breathing. And by that, I mean just the rest is just instrumental. Letting the instrumental breathe. The next up, Starlight. This one's interesting. This one's interesting. This one is more hyped than the next one, which is Twin. Twin is I'm gonna have to read the lyrics more too, because that looked so more personal.
Starlight in me, shining so bright and
Pristine.
what about the moments in between? You said you see the starlight in me. What about the black mystery? What about the moments you don't see? It's way deeper than what you think. I'm tired of and
Novocaine. Shit goes hard though.
away. I wanna feel everything. I was just a white lie. Truth comes out in time, every time. I know where my soul has been.
Yeah.
Now I
Yeah.
remember the night. Remember the night. Now I remember the night.
Remember the night.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Starlight bright, starlight bright, starlight bright, starlight.
Yeah. Starlight bright, starlight bright, starlight bright, starlight.
So many.
I like the beat of this one. I just remember her screaming Starlight bright, Starlight bright. I was like, whoa, what's happening? Because obviously, when I was at the performance, is this a sad song? Like the lyrics wise.
After hours, I just wanna make my mama prouder. When the stupid thoughts started getting louder, said bitch chill out and took a cold shower. Like we gon' levitate to the 808.
Hey, hey.
To the real, not
Fake.
fake. And this time it's on me. 'Cause I remember the night. Remember the night.
This is also another song that would be nice at Coachella, I think. Like that. Everybody make some noise! But it's kind of like, it's lit and hype. At the same time, it's like chill. You know what I'm saying? Starlight bright, starlight bright, starlight.
저기 반짝이는 별처럼 내 꿈속에서 점점 가까워지는 거 아닐까?
I see. And then Twin, which was an acapella with an actual guitarist. And based on what I remember from the performance, this one was really personal.
Second write in a letter, and I put in a 12-ounce bottle of Heineken.
12 ounce?
And let it go on a whim, 'cause I know I've been gone too long. But I'm writing a song, it's like I'm writing a letter, but I'm writing a song. It's like I'm writing a letter, but I'm writing a song. It's like I'm writing a letter, but I'm writing a song. Can you just bear with me? We were 10 years in and young and dumb and innocent, my friend. But I knew along that we were wrong. It's like I'm writing a letter, but I'm writing a song. It's like I'm writing a letter, but I'm writing a song. It's like I'm writing a letter, but I'm writing a song.
Okay. At this point in the performance, at least the first night, she was very emotional.
I didn't leave.
She was crying.
Yeah.
Or at least it seemed like.
When I'm bumping a shanty, yeah, on a beach.
Oh, this is personal.
I didn't hold ya, but I still know ya. We will make things right when we get older. Friend,
Yeah, that part.
twin, you and I, we drifted apart. Twin,
You know, when I first heard when I saw the title Twin, I thought it would be lit. Like
twin,
I think
like the white clouds under the stars.
it was gonna be like trap heavy.
Do you feel
But this I like it a lot
the
more.
way I blamed the time and wasn't time, and we was fighting and colliding, man, I just couldn't stay. And I keep your name so tightly to my heartbeat. Guess I lost you and you lost me, but I put fuel to your flame. I didn't leave ya. I still
What is this
see
about?
ya when I'm bumping Ashanti.
Because that bumping Ashanti on the beach is such a personal experience, like just for her. But obviously, music to a lot of like artists, the songwriters, it's usually like a journal.
Twin,
Twin, twin, like the white clouds under the stars. Swim, swim, twin, you and I, we drifted apart. Twin, twin, twin.
Damn. Whew. And I think that's about it. That's all of Jennie's album. Yeah, somebody said this song will always have a little corner in my mind. All right, y'all. Again, like this video, depending on where you're watching this. If you're watching this on Patreon, hello, thank you for supporting. Be sure to like and comment your thoughts about this album. Hey, I'm done with this. I am done with this. Ugh, take this cheap wig off me. All right, y'all, put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Appreciate you for all the support, and I'll see you guys sometime soon. Oh my god, my hair is not hairing. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.